Hello! If you contemplate relocating to another country sometime in the future, then AI is going to have a big impact on your plans very soon. My name is Sergey Alexandrov, I'm the founder of Legal Ideas law firm, and you are watching a channel with real legal information from expert lawyers without blogging and populism. Recently, I read a Facebook post by Vitaly Goncharuk, who is the founder of a company specializing in augmented reality that was allegedly acquired for $100 million. Now he is a speaker at different conferences about AI. He claims that in 2 or 3 years, the demand for immigration as a labor source will decline. I'm not an AI expert, but I'm an immigration expert. And so this is my expectation of how AI will change immigration worldwide soon. First, I agree that work migrants will face a significant decline in opportunities. There will be less work for migrants. Automatically, it means that obtaining residence or citizenship based on work will also become much harder. So if this situation is relevant to you, I would recommend you hurry up or reconsider your immigration strategy. Maybe you should adapt your immigration plans accordingly. Second, as I mentioned above, residence and citizenship will be obtained less through a work visa. People will more often opt for options such as the business visa, investment, marriage, etc. Third, the number of people willing to relocate to another country could increase, as overall the whole immigration process will become cheaper, easier and faster due to total digitalization and substitution of humans by machines. For example, AI will be able to provide accurate legal advice pertinent to your unique case, which will replace visa agents and also many immigration lawyers. Actually, it's not that difficult to do, and 5 years ago, our law firm, Legal Ideas, launched such an online service that provided absolutely accurate immigration consultations for free. We didn't have to spend our time advising clients on standard cases. That was awesome. Unfortunately, due to Russia attacking Ukraine, we had to put this project on hold. Fourth, while AI will make it easier, changing a country for living could become a harder task, as the current worldwide trend now is to fight illegal migration. Laws and national immigration policies are getting stricter and more picky. It is already happening now, and I'm not even talking about the US. Look at Norway, for example. It has gradually been making it harder and harder to relocate there. It cancelled free education for foreign students last year. Recently, it stopped giving residence to the elderly parents of its current residents. Ukraine made it more difficult to get residence based on marriage, and you can see such a tendency in other countries as well. So even for people with money, it could become impossible to immigrate to certain countries, or the whole process will require complicated legal solutions that will make the cost of immigration higher. As of now, my advice is the following. If you have already made up your mind and you are adamant about relocating to a certain country, then try to do this in the nearest future. If you're still not sure whether to relocate abroad at all, then don't hurry and monitor the situation while continuing to prepare for a possible trip. If you are considering a few options, prioritize the one that brings more investment to the hosting country. Options with investments, business and real estate must remain possible, as no country will reject new residents with a bag of money. My name is Sergey Alexandrov. I'm the founder of Legal Ideas law firm, and you are watching our immigration law podcast with real legal analytics without blogging and populism. If you have any questions about immigration, feel free to leave them under this video or contact Legal Ideas law firm by any means convenient for you.